Hello students, today I am taking the topic criteria for similarity of the triangle, and in this first criteria is angle criteria. Now see these two triangles. The three angles of this triangle and three angles of this triangle are equal. So we can say that these two triangles are similar. How to write the answer? In triangle ABC and triangle PQR. The first part is angle A equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle Q, and angle C equals to angle R. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. And which similarity here? Angle criteria. So in this way we write it symbolically. In the question it is given here that which pair of the triangles are similar, and if they are similar, write the criteria of the similarity as well as write them symbolically. So in this way we can write these two using different symbols. I hope this is clear. I am taking the next problem now. See the next sum. Yes, now see the second problem. This second problem deals with the second important criteria, and that is side. Now if you study here, every side of this triangle is corresponding side of this triangle is double of this triangle. Now which side is double of which side? This side. RQ is double of AB. BC का डबल है PQ and AC का डबल है PR. So in this we write in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. See now what happens here. The Q is written here and R is written here in the diagram. So here ABC and PQR. The first part is AB. See, this is 2 is proportional to QR. Then BC is proportional to RP. Then CA is proportional to PQ. So we can say that all the three sides of this triangle is proportional to the corresponding sides of this triangle. So by the side criteria, ABC is similar to QRP. And which criteria? Side. Here it is important part that here you can write PQR, but here when we say AB, then PQ is not proportional to AB. Which side is double of AB? It is QR. Which side of double of BC? It is PR. Which side is double of AC? It is PQ. So we take the corresponding sides. That is the important part in this particular sum. So that is the second criteria, and it is side. I am taking one more sum, that is with the third criteria. So there are total 3 criteria. The next criteria is side, angle, side. Yes, dear students, now third part, they are not similar. Now I am taking the fourth part, and the criteria in this is side, angle, side. That is, two sides are proportional and included angle is equal. You see here, this angle is 70 degree, this angle is 70 degree. So these are corresponding angle. The second is this MN, and here it is PQ. These are proportional and MN is proportional to QR. So here we write it systematically in triangle LMN and triangle PQR. You can write PQR here, LMN here. There is no problem. Now you see the first part. The first part is angle M is equal to angle Q. The second part is LM. It is 5. So RQ. LM is proportional to RQ. Second is MN. MN is proportional to QR. So which triangle is similar to which triangle? Triangle LMN is similar to triangle LM is similar to this LM. This one is proportional to RQ. Second is MN is proportional to QP. QP it is, sorry, QP. So which triangle is proportional to which triangle? LMN is proportional to RQP. Or PQR is proportional to NML. That is the criteria used for here. And what is the criteria? The criteria is side angle side. That is this side proportional to this side, this 5 proportional to 10, and this 70 equal. So that is the third criteria. So we can say that by these three criteria we can understand the similarity. Now in this, the fifth part, they are not similar, no, and sixth part is again similar by using the criteria angle, angle, angle. So that is the meaning of the criteria for similarity of a triangle. There is one more problem which I have told you in 6.3 also. 6.2 also that problem was given, and now I am telling you the simplest method of that particular sum, that is sum number 3 of exercise 6.3. Please read the sum. I am going to explain you that sum. Problem number 3 of exercise 6.3, important sum, and I think this problem must be asked in the board exam. This ABCD is a trapezium and the diagonals are intersecting at O point. We have to prove that OA upon OC equals to OB upon OD. This we have already proved by using the basic proportionality theorem. In that we have made here the parallel line. But now you see, by criteria of the similarity, it can be done very fast. So we are taking, I am in triangle AOB and triangle COD. See, this angle 1 equals to angle 2. We can write angle 1 equals to angle 2. The reason is they are alternate angles when AB is parallel to CD. The second is similarly angle 3 equals to angle 4. So we write similarly angle 3 equals to angle 4. Therefore, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. And which criteria? It is angle, angle criteria. Now dear students, here I want to tell you that if two angles of this triangle is equal to two angles of this triangle, then definitely the third one will also be equal. So for angle, angle, angle criteria, we can write angle, angle only. It is sufficient that two angles are equal. The third one will be automatically equal. So AOB is similar to COD. Now once they are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So OA corresponding to OC and OB proportional to the corresponding side OD. And here we write CPST, that is corresponding part of similar triangle. So I hope it is easier than the sum which we have done earlier. Earlier what we have done, we have made one parallel line here, and then we took two triangles, and using the BPT we have proved that these two triangles are similar. I hope this problem is clear to you now. I am taking one more sum, sum number 5. Please see now. Yes, dear students, you see sum number 5, it is written here. S and T are the points on side PR and QR, such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. P means this angle is equal to this angle. These two angles are equal. Show that triangle RPQ is similar to RTS. You see the solution of this, the proof of in triangle RPQ and triangle RTS. The first part is angle RPQ equals to angle RTS. Why it is? Because it is given in the sum, and angle R equals to angle R because it is common angle. See this angle. So now RPQ is similar to RTS. So we can say triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Which criteria? It is angle criteria. Once more you see RTS, R, फिर ये angle and then okay. R, this angle, these two angles are already equal and R is a common angle. So in this way we can say that these two triangles are similar. One of the important sum in the exercise. I hope it is clear to you now. Thank you.